Hey adventurers, are you ready to capture your most thrilling moments? Today, we're diving into the top 10 best action cameras available on Amazon that are perfect for all your adventures, whether you're surfing, hiking, or just exploring the great outdoors. Stick around until the end because I've got a surprising pick that packs a punch with features you might not expect. Plus, I've made it easy for you to find all these cameras. Links are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. If you love adventure as much as I do, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest gear reviews and tips. Alright, let's get started and find the perfect action camera for your next adventure. Number 10, Acaso Brave 8 Lite. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Acaso Brave 8 Lite. Imagine this, it's a sunny Saturday morning, and you're gearing up for a mountain biking adventure with friends. You want to capture every twist and turn of the trail without breaking the bank. The Brave 8 Lite is your perfect companion. This compact camera shoots in crisp 4K resolution and features dual screens, so you can easily frame those epic selfies while riding. Picture zooming down the trail, wind in your hair, knowing that every exhilarating moment is being captured in stunning detail. Plus, it's waterproof, ideal for those splashy moments when you hit a puddle or ride through a creek. With its affordability and impressive features, this camera is a fantastic entry point for any adventure seeker. Number 9, Insta360 At number 9, we have the versatile Insta360 Picture this, you're on a thrilling ski trip with friends, and you want to capture not just the action in front of you but also what's happening behind you. The Insta360 lets you do just that with its unique modular design. You can switch between a standard action camera and a 360-degree camera in seconds. Imagine carving down the slopes while capturing every angle of your adventure, the breathtaking views of snow-covered mountains and your friends laughing as they tumble in the snow. This camera makes it easy to create immersive content that puts viewers right in the middle of the action. Number 8, DJI Osmo Action. Coming in at number 8 is the reliable DJI Osmo Action. Imagine this, you're diving into crystal-clear waters, eager to explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. The Osmo Action is built to handle it all with its rugged design and waterproof capabilities up to 36 feet. With its dual screens, you can easily frame your shots whether you're above or below water. Picture yourself swimming alongside colorful fish and capturing stunning underwater footage without worrying about your camera getting damaged. Plus, its rock-steady stabilization technology smooths out any bumps, ensuring your underwater footage looks stunning. Whether you're snorkeling or just having fun at the beach, this camera captures all your aquatic adventures beautifully. Number 7, GoPro Hero 10 Black. At number 7 is the iconic GoPro Hero 10 Black. Imagine this, you're skydiving from thousands of feet in the air, adrenaline pumping as you freefall towards the earth. With the Hero 10 Black strapped securely to your helmet, you can capture every exhilarating moment in a stunning 5.3K video. Its hyper-smooth stabilization makes sure that even in high-speed situations, your footage remains steady and clear. Picture yourself landing safely on solid ground with your heart racing and knowing you've just captured one of the most thrilling experiences of your life. Plus, with voice control features, you can start recording without having to fumble with buttons, perfect for those action-packed moments when every second counts. Number 6, Sony FDR-X3000. Sliding into number 6 is the impressive Sony FDR-X3000. Picture this, you're on a thrilling motorcycle ride along a scenic coastal highway. You want to capture those breathtaking views without worrying about shaky footage. The Sony FDR-X3000 features balanced optical steadyshot technology that keeps your video smooth even on bumpy rides. With its ability to shoot in 4K and excellent low-light performance, this camera ensures that every sunset ride looks incredible. Imagine pulling over at a viewpoint to take in the scenery and knowing that you've captured it all flawlessly, every detail pops against the vibrant backdrop of nature. Number 5, DJI Osmo Action 4. Claiming our 5th spot is the cutting-edge DJI Osmo Action 4. Picture this, you're hiking through rugged terrain when suddenly you spot a breathtaking view at the summit. With its large sensor and exceptional color quality, this action camera captures stunning detail in every shot. The Osmo Action 4 also boasts advanced stabilization features that make it easy to create cinematic quality videos while on the move. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff overlooking a vast valley as you record an epic video to share with friends. This camera makes it easy to turn unforgettable moments into shareable memories. Number 4. GoPro Hero 11 Black. At number 4 is the remarkable GoPro Hero 11 Black. Imagine game day arrives, and you want every detail of the action to pop on screen as you cheer for your team from the stands. With its new sensor that captures more detail than ever before, this GoPro is perfect for documenting all your favorite activities. Whether you're capturing scenic hikes or spontaneous dance parties during tailgates, its incredible image quality ensures that every moment looks fantastic. Plus, its compatibility with various mounts means you can attach it anywhere on your helmet while biking or even on a selfie stick for group shots. Number 3. Insta360 X3. At number 3 is the innovative Insta360 X3. Imagine being at a concert where everything is happening all around you, the music is pumping, lights are flashing. How do you capture it all? The Insta360 X3 lets you shoot immersive 360-degree videos that put viewers right in the middle of the action. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around while still delivering impressive video quality up to 5.7K resolution. Plus, with its built-in editing features, you can create stunning content right from your phone, perfect for sharing those unforgettable moments instantly. Number 2. Akeso V50 Pro. Almost at the top. At number 2 is the budget-friendly yet powerful Akeso V50 Pro. Picture this: you're whitewater rafting down a thrilling river and want to capture every splash and turn without breaking the bank. The V50 Pro shoots in beautiful 4K resolution and comes with a variety of mounting accessories so you can attach it wherever you need, on your helmet or even on your paddle. Its built-in stabilization ensures smooth footage even during intense action sequences. It's perfect for adventurers who want high-quality video without spending a fortune. Number 1. GoPro Hero Max. And finally, taking our top spot at number 1 is none other than the versatile GoPro Hero Max. Imagine capturing not just video but also immersive photos from every angle as you embark on your adventures. This camera does it all. With incredible dual-lens capabilities that allow for both traditional shooting and full spherical video capture, you'll never miss a moment again. Its rugged design means it can handle whatever nature throws at it, rain, snow, or mud, and still deliver stunning results. Whether you're skiing down slopes or exploring hidden caves, GoPro Max takes your adventure documentation to new heights. And that's a wrap on our countdown of the best action cameras for your adventures. Whether you're diving into the ocean or conquering a mountain, I hope you found the perfect camera to capture your epic moments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world. Don't forget that all the links to these amazing action cameras are in the description below, making it super easy for you to check them out. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you're always updated with our latest gear reviews and adventure tips. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep exploring.